Want to sell your HDB fast? Want to sell your HDB for more than market price, plus higher price than your neighbor's unit? Well, I've sold not one, but 2 HDB flats at Kovan at the highest price in the estate within the month.
Check it out.
Hi, I'm Ivy Eyu and I'm here to listen to your needs, your wants, your target price to sell your HDB flat. With more than 20 years assisting my clients, I have customized marketing plans with strategy to get the best possible price. Let me share with you the 2 HDB flats when I identified the pros and cons of each property. In January 2021, when I first visited Block 374 Hougang 17th floor, there were tenants currently staying in the flat. Although this is an executive layout with spacious hall and bedrooms, the flat was messy and with big furniture inside. The renovations were done 20 years ago, was tenanted for the last 10 years and not in good condition. Also, the hall balcony faces southwest with an angle of afternoon sun. However, I saw the potential in this house. It is spacious, good layout with 4 bedrooms. It has 180 degrees unblocked view facing landed properties and shop houses. Here's my solution. Declutter big furniture after the tenant vacates at end February, arrange virtual tour, invite interior designer to give space planning ideas and renovation proposal for the property video. At that time, the only executive flat transaction was in December 2019 at price of 784,000 at Block 375 between level 13 to 15. So I discussed with my seller and jokingly, I told them I want to try asking 1.088 million. They were surprised by my idea but say leave it to me. And of course, any seller would be happy that their agent wants to stage the highest possible price for their property. In the end, I did not disappoint them. I managed to sell their property at 910,000, which is 126,000 more than the previous transactions. When I advertised Block 374 in the second week of March, I received more than 10 calls within the first 3 days. On 29th of March, I received WhatsApp message as a response from my ads. He is the owner of the next Block 375 and he was asking me questions, why am I confident to sell Hougang executive flat with a 1 million asking price? With my humorous approach, I shared I like to challenge myself to achieve the next possible price for all my sellers. The $1 million view comes with a $1 million price tag. We met 2 days later at his unit and it was the same facing like Block 374, only 1 level lower on the 16th floor. And of course, I signed the exclusive for sale too. This unit was spacious, good layout with 4 bedrooms, 180 degrees unblocked view facing landed properties and shop houses. Very clean property with some furniture in the flat. However, the hall balcony faces southwest with an angle of afternoon sun. Master bedroom window facing the main road along Upper Serangoon Road, a little noise from the traffic. I used a different approach to sell this unit. Home staging, in which I bring in staging props such as beddings, plants and deco items to complete the place for virtual tour and property video. After a few days of home staging and property video tour, I advertised Block 375 from 2nd week of April. I received more than 20 calls inquiring about this unit. In total, about 30 buyers viewed both properties during 1 month between April to May. Sometime in April month, one neighbor at Block 375 level 15 sold at 822,000. I was happy to hear this, as I can be assured that the next price I aim for my sellers will be much higher than this. Using my strategic negotiation skill, plus after rounds of offers from various groups of buyers, I managed to close Block 375 16th floor at another record price of 925,000. This high price transaction reflected in June 2021 HDB records. Because of this, I was featured in my company's OrangeTee and Thai HDB Market Pulse Q2 reports. So if you want to sell your unit, I will always be your listening ear and I'm creative and fast. Plus, I'm willing to take the challenge to achieve the next highest possible price for you. This is Ivy Eyu from AEG Division, OrangeTee and Thai, serving you since 1996.